Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set one single name and remove last name on Facebook. So guys, at first go to your Facebook. Now tap on the three dot line, swipe down and tap on settings and privacy. Go to settings. Now tap on personal details. Tap on profiles. Again tap on your profile. Tap on name, and guys, now you can set here your first name. And guys, if you want to remove your last name, then let me tell you something, that there is no option to remove your last name. If you remove your last name, then you can't review change, so you have to set your last name, and it's mandatory. So guys, after completing this all thing, just tap on review change. And then you have to tap on save changes, and then your name will be changed. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.